Well, you'll have a small window to get out and enjoy some nature this weekend, minus the rain. And this weekend we found an adventure that involves the great outdoors and art. All new at 10, we're showing you where you can see wonder windows, and you'll meet the artist up next. Plus, this fall, explore art outdoors. Boy, look how pretty that is. We're giving you a window to take in all the wonder this new art installation offers, coming up in just minutes.
Hey, that is so neat.
It's beautiful.
It
I
is.
can't wait to hear more. Good morning and welcome to the 10 o'clock. New at 10, a new outdoor art installation is giving people a fresh way to connect with nature and see the world around them.
Yeah, it's creating an interactive experience that invites everyone to explore, learn, and engage with their surroundings. Fox News' Bonnie Silkman is joining us in studio with a closer look at this unique project. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. This project is called Wonder Windows, and it features 18 vibrant double-sided panels that are nearly 6 feet tall, all installed around Hagg Lake. And today we're hearing from the artist who brought this project to life. The Forest Grove-based artist, Emily Miller, says each of the panels illustrates the interconnected ecosystems of this area, highlighting more than 80 local species of plants and animals. The 6-foot panels are made of steel and layered custom-cut materials, all inspired by traditional woodcut prints and the transparency of stained glass. They're placed along the park's 14-mile loop trail, and the panels showcase local wildlife and how the landscape even changes throughout the different seasons. Miller says that she wanted people to feel connected to the ecosystems, to pause, reflect, and see how everything is linked, from the smallest of creatures to even the trees along the lake.
The biggest takeaway that I hope people will get out of this project is to take another look a little closer, and sort of be curious and explore. There's a lot of little details in the panels of smaller creatures or creatures that you might not think would be at each of the locations, but as far as I could, they're all accurate. So, and because each side of each panel is different, it's sort of that curiosity of like, oh, what's around the back side? So just bringing that feeling to people visiting is what I'm hoping for.
Just beautiful. And the installation is supported by Explore Tualatin Valley with funding from Travel Oregon and Washington County Parks. And this is all part of a larger effort to blend art, nature, and community experiences. Wonder Windows is open to the public right now, inviting everyone to explore, learn, and connect with the natural world in the Tualatin Valley. And if you haven't been to Hagg Lake, it is so beautiful, so fun.
And really accessible. It's easy to get
very.
to. Yeah.
And this is just going to, add to the fun. And they're just beautiful. I mean, you saw the photo, so if you need a new idea, a new walking path, check it out.
Neat. I
love it.
It's beautiful. It makes you stop and notice the details, which I really love.
Thanks, Bonnie.
Yeah.
Thank you.